Okay, some people were looking for some help with how to follow the directions and make a line graph. So again, looking at this cell right here is that in order to make a line graph, you have to highlight all your data. You're going to click on the Insert tab up here, and then you're going to click on Chart. But before you do that, you have to enter in your data. Now, when you're entering your data, you have to do it by day, not by date. And so you guys are going to start with day 0. Then it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and then basically your data has to match how you guys recorded. So this needs to be according to the way we did this. I'm just kind of making up numbers here, but you can see that it progresses, and we skip some days because we weren't coming in on the weekends. Now, next thing you need to do is you need to put in your earth variable. Remember, our earth represents our control, and this would be representing earth conditions. The experimental, we want to be what we're measuring here for Mars. And for here, maybe let's say that we were measuring lack of sunlight. Okay, now you're going to want to put in some data for this. Again, everyone's data is going to be a little different, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter in some fake data here. Your data will be unique to your actual experiment, but once we get these numbers in here, you'll see how everything can progress. So let me just make up some data. There's our Earth data, and let's enter in some Mars data. Say Mars took a lot longer to grow, but then we'll say it rapidly took off. And now we are going to get to the part where we actually make our graph. So you need to highlight all your data. And again, you're going to go to this tab up here. You're going to click Insert. You're going to click on Chart. And you're going to make sure that it's set to Line Graph. Now from here, you're going to make sure that you are entering in a title that makes sense to your experiment. In order to do that, you're going to click on Customize. And then you can click on Chart, Axis, and Titles. And you're going to select these in order to edit and make it appropriate. So again, make sure that you have an appropriate title for all of your axes, the Y-axis, the X-axis, and that everything is labeled properly in here.